Good morning. How is everyone today? I'm going to continue my work on this game. So, pretty much what I did last time, I mostly just, like, worked on the maps and stuff. So, like, sorry. Um, and that's pretty much what I'm going to continue today. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be continuing today. So, um, if you do have any questions, about RPG Maker MZ, I will attempt to answer them, or at the very least, I will try and figure it out on the screen, because I know that would have helped me a lot at different times. Um, Sorry, trying to do all the sharing that I'm streaming and whatnot. Alright. So yeah, this is B1, which means that the next floor is the exit. So, um, I'm going to make this inside. The reason I'm not copying and pasting like I've been doing, because, Lord, dog scratching herself super loud. And the reason I'm not copying and pasting this time is because in this particular place, I want it to be basically a hallway. It's like, I want you to have that whole thing of like, I'm out, I'm free. And then I'm gonna throw a final boss at ya. I think we can find another one. Alright. Kind of wanna... This one should be good. I don't know. It might be too bright. What do you think? Too bright? And we're just gonna go with that. And then down here at this end, gonna have steps. I would think that they would have something that would match the steps, you know? Like if they're gonna put those steps in there, you would just think that it would be something that could match them, right? I suppose I can just switch to these normal ones. I mean, that doesn't look right either, does it? Let's just go back to this and we'll deal with it. Who knows, maybe at some point I'll go ahead and like come in here and do like a actually, I don't know, maybe if someone's interested, I could if somebody's interested later on, I could possibly do like a like let someone else come in and design a couple of things. I wonder if I'll actually be able to repeat that pattern. Okay, cool. This is one of the cool things about having layers, because it allows you to be able to do some things. And this is a creative solution for trying to figure out how to make pillars do that. Let's hope that I do not decide to change what I'm doing right here later. 'Cause this is taking a while. So yeah, once I get done with this one, and then I'm gonna go down and create the other housing areas. And then I'll actually be able to start working on the actual game itself. The actual, like, um, yeah, the actual game itself. Like, not just the appearance, but the actual game. That is not what I meant to do. Alright, so that should look like I want it to. Not entirely sure about that last part. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. I don't know. Maybe that last part was good. Yeah, we'll keep it. Get up here. You get to go. Freedom! In there. One of these showed light. Guess that was only on the other one. Oh. So yeah. Edit. Alright, let's come up with some cool background music. Let's see. Let's go to scenes. Oh. Nothing particularly sounds like fanfare type stuff. Yeah, I guess we can go with that one. Alright. There we go. And we'll come up with a congratulations, you escaped the prison. Obviously, we're gonna have a nice big boss battle in here, but we'll get to all that later. Right now, let's drop to prison level B2. I feel like I need to change something here. What does this look like if we do it? Yeah, I don't really like that. I mean, this is still supposed to be kind of plain looking, so... I could go with that. Alright. So... we made these houses just the basic size. I feel like these other houses need to be a little larger. Let's make them 50% larger, give or take. So, new house, so 17. So yeah, we'll make it 25 by 20. Just make the base flooring wood. We'll alter that a little bit later. And we set this as the ceiling, so that's gonna be the ceiling. And we had this as the walls. Alright. And the entrance will be right there. Let's see. We'll basically make it similar to like how the other one was, where it's just kind of a basic layout. Alright, so this will be our basic layout for these things. Copy. We have 8 of these, so we're going to paste it 7 times. Alright, we'll worry about naming those things later. Right now, we gotta do these. And these are gonna be way larger. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, so yeah, these are going to be way larger. So we're just going to make these twice as large as the originals. It occurs to me, I probably, on these, shouldn't have wood flooring, should I? Because it's just, yeah, it's just that floor. That doesn't make sense at all. It's the right one? No. This one, right? Okay. We'll worry about making it look nice later. Alright. I will say that it's going to be different layout for these places, since there are supposed to be 4 people living in these places. My thought is I'm going to just create like 4 bedrooms up here. Try and make them about the same size, so. How big was the map? 34. I'm gonna take off the 2, so 32, so that means 8 spaces. I don't know. Maybe. We'll find out. I don't think that'll work. Okay, that did not work. Yeah, those size. That side's bigger. What if we do a 4 corners thing? I think we can bring them up just a bit. Bring these down just a bit. One more should do. There we go. And it occurs to me that I forgot to take into account the wall, but it'll be fine. In fact, go ahead and bring these up and bring these down one more time. And then we can just have like little entrances to the places. It's definitely not based on my books. Game is just like a prison thing. The books are supernatural, like vampires and stuff. This was mainly just, I haven't fully made a game in RPG Maker yet. So I figured, you know, I'd make like a game that would work for kind of, you know, just kind of playing around with it. Do you hate it when, like, the entrance is not directly centered? And let's go ahead and just make it 2. Why not, right? I mean, I've already got the whole Time Lord engineering, which by the fact that, you know. Alright. So we'll let this be the kitchen area. And this will just be a hangout room. And we'll paste that 3 times. Alright. I have finally finished with all of the maps. Oh, with all the base map stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and actually mess up stuff, because, you know, that's how you do. Alright. Start some NPCs in here. Oh, wait, we were gonna find a way to... Alright. Right here. We're going to do self switch from that. New event page. So, gotta make a way to get out of here. So we have to make a way to get out of here, right? I'm thinking... I mean, I guess we don't really have to make a way to get out. I think we could make the way to get out be like based upon what class you chose. I just don't know how the healer would do for that. Oh, I've got an idea. Because, like, I believe when I did the character select thing, had it be, see, here who was imprisoned for attending to an enemy soldier. Yeah, so, like, he kind of did the right thing, right? What if for him we actually just make it to where it's like the key is just slid under the door when you go and look. So okay. So yeah. Going back over here. Door. I mean, like gonna stick with that one. Alright, door. Gonna do conditional branches. Class swordsman. Got stuff in front of me right now. I'm gonna do the thing where it'll like jump to a new thing. Okay. Then we do choices. Yes, no. Yes. Control self switch. Self switch A. No. Totally forgot where the thing I wanted was. Set movement route. Player. Move up. Okay. Alright. I don't know why I out of that. Alright, so then we're going to change up things each time. Edit. Sorcerer. The fun and amazing RPG making stuff. Imagine if I was actually having to code everything, and then it would really be riveting, because whereas coding is extremely nice to be able to do. Alright, so yeah, we're going to back out of this for a sec. We're going to go over here to the database, and we're going to create a new item. Right. Go with right here. Sorry. Just accidentally tapped my mic. So we're going to create a new item right here. Looking for a key. Sure, there's a key somewhere. There it is. Alright. There's our key item. Haha, key item. That's a key. Alright. Over here. We're going to... We're actually going to remove this for him. And we're going to change items. Self key increase, constant 1. Okay. Now we're also going to go over here. Copy all of that. Just copy event page. Paste event page. Item. Cell key. Alright. So that should take care of the priest. And then we have the bandit. Okay. Alright. Now we want to test this. So we're gonna go ahead, start a new game. Good lord, that... I need to change that entrance thing. I'm gonna go... I want to be able to check all of them. We'll start with this one. Oh, yeah. It's fine, because we're just testing things right now. Okay. That is why you test things. Okay, here's what we'll do. I don't know what we'll do. Hold on a minute. Alright, we're gonna do this. Alright. Switch locked in. And then at the end of each of these, we're going to do new control switches, locked in, off. And just to make sure that this is all going to as planned, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. But make sure that that's on. Alright. Let's try this again. I do need to get that to not do that. Okay. That worked. Alright. So there's one other thing I do definitely need to do. There we are. Okay. I believe that should do the trick. And did not do the trick. Like, I can't figure out why it's doing that. Okay. I do definitely feel like I need to do a little something here. So, yeah, copy all of that. In fact, we are probably going to be deleting that event page. Okay. We are gonna copy the sound effect as well. Alright, swordsman is busting it down, so we're gonna change this sound effect. Seems a little much. That should do. And we're gonna add a little bit of flavor here. Shake screen. Okay. Hold on. I don't want it to shake for a minute. Oh no, that's a second. Okay, that should be fine. So, then we can go down to sorcerer. What's the first spell our sorcerer gets without me doing stuff? Fire, perfect. We need fire. And flash screen. I want it to kind of look orange. And then yeah. For the bandit, it'll just be a normal thing. That means we can actually delete this event now. Okay. Alright. I now kind of want to try out everyone again. Nice. I like it. Perfect. Alright. And of course the one that I want to test play as is going to be the bandit, which we have not verified yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and... So, I messed up on something. It's all good though. So, if you set a movement path, usually you want to do the skip if cannot complete. The reason you want to do that is in case some random thing that you weren't expecting happens, like what just happened there. The reason for that is, of course, the fact that obviously stuff happens. And if it cannot complete the movement, it'll just kind of mess you over a bit later. So it's always good to make sure that you've got that skip if cannot move selected for many of these things. It's not an always thing, but it's usually a good idea. Mainly if you're having it be your player that's moving. There we go. We will go ahead and rest so we can save. And we will call it there for the day. So, like I said, I know it's super riveting to watch these, but maybe I'm helping some people out, I don't know. I just figured it was something different to do and something that, you know, sort of fun to do, so. As Quizzical Jen said, you know, asking about my books, asking if this was going to be based on my books. No, it's not going to be based on my books, but my books are available on Amazon if you want to go read them. They're supernatural type worlds with vampires, demons, wares, magic users, plenty of things. Got a kitsune in there on the second book. They are not romance books by any stretch of the imagination. Like I've said in past, they're a little bit closer to like Buffy the Vampire Slayer and Supernatural than they are to Twilight and other books similar to that. So if you are interested in that type of book, please go to Amazon and check them out. I've got links in my bio. I've also got links on my website, SeriousStar.com. Or you can just go to Amazon and search for Seriostar and Immortality Sucks or Demonic Whispers. They should pop up pretty quick. If you want to follow me on social media, just search for Seriostar and you should be able to find me pretty easily. I will be uploading this to YouTube probably before the day is out. So if you missed something but you want to check out what's going on, then you can hop over to YouTube and see the stuff that I've been doing. I will say once I have this completed, it will be available on my website. And I will be also updating more stuff on my website as time goes by. But the best way to support me right now is just going and buying my books. Obviously, follows, subscribes, those are helpful too. But pure and simple, go buy my books, and that will definitely help me out. I am deep in the process of working on the third book in that series. I've also got another book that I am working on edits for. That will be a murder mystery book. So I will keep you updated on that as progress is made on that. So, in the meantime, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you all later. Bye.